Thank you for tuning in to watch this video. What this video is going to teach us today is to tell us how we can find the area of a trapezium by proving out the area of a trapezium. Now, but before we go into doing that, quickly we need to do very quick recap, and those recap will be based on remembering that a rectangle is a 2D shape with the area to be length times breadth. We have a triangle also to be a 2D shape with its area to be half base times height. Also, remember when you're adding up fractions that x plus 1 over 2x is equals to 1 over 2x because x means 1x, and because x are like terms, 1 plus this will give you 3 over 2, while x minus 1 over 2x will give us 1 over 2x. So now, let us see what a right-angled trapezium looks like. With the label A, B, C, and D, with this to be 90 degrees. Now, for me to determine the height of this trapezium, then I will draw a line from D to this, so I can label here as E. Not forgetting that for the trapezium, AD is parallel to BC. So if AD is A and BC is B, automatically DE becomes the height of this trapezium. Now, for me to determine the area of this, what I'm going to do is to say that the area of a trapezium will be area of a rectangle plus the area of a triangle. Now, I start with the rectangle. Now, I have a rectangle where this is A and this is H. The area of this rectangle will give me A times H, which is equals to AH. Take note of that. Now we move to the triangle as well. Triangle CDE, where the height is H. Now the base of this triangle will be calculated this way. Don't forget that B to E will also be A because opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Since the whole length is B and I'm cutting out A, the remaining path will be B minus A. So this is B minus A. And that makes the area to be half base times height. Then I will now say the area of the trapezium will now be area of a rectangle is AH plus area of the triangle is half B minus AH. Then we start simplifying, and that gives us AH plus 1 over 2 BH minus AH, which means we will have AH plus 1 over 2 BH minus 1 over 2 AH. I use the 1 over 2 to multiply BH and the 1 over 2 to multiply minus AH. Now you will observe something here, and what we're going to observe is to see that there are like terms. AH is alike with minus AH. So that tells us that AH minus 1 over 2 AH, from what I explained here, means that we're going to have 1 over 2 AH. Having said that, the next thing we will now do is to impute it into our result. So since we know that the area of a trapezium is now the area of the triangle plus the area of the rectangle. The area of the rectangle we got was AH plus the area of the triangle. Okay, we've done that here already. So AH minus half AH will give us 1 over 2 AH plus 1 over 2 BH. Then we factorize. And what we have common is 1 over 2H into bracket A plus B, which can as well be written as 1 over 2 into bracket A plus BH. And this is how we got the area of the trapezium we use today. I hope the explanation is explicit. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, to share, and to subscribe. Thank you.